Aparna Sharma.
Hi, I am Chashnu Khariwala.
Hi, I'm Anuja Shukla.
Hi, I'm Bharti Dekate.
Hello, I'm Padmini Misra.
Hi, I'm Anjali Patil.
I think everyone needs a role model and everyone needs to look up to someone. So, a guiding hand, a person who can guide you in the right direction with so many options in the market currently. It is a good idea to talk to someone and get kind of a way forward, and they would then probably guide you in the right direction considering your weaknesses and strengths, because they have been in this industry for many years now.
Here for the speed mentoring session, and I think it's one of its kind that is being organized and well thought of in a long time.
I think mentoring is super important because you need to know whether you're heading in the right direction. So this stems from the fact that I am assuming every professional has a goal, and to reach the goal, you need like frequent exchanges with someone who's been there, done that, to basically give you feedback on how well you are.
I think mentoring has always been important. It's probably getting its due importance now, but it has always been important because organizations, especially corporate organizations, tend to be very complex structures, if I may put it that way, and trying to navigate them, it always helps if there's somebody to guide you, somebody who's a little more senior or somebody who understands it better or simply has a lot more experience that can put things into perspective for you.
I personally think that this initiative of mentoring for women in today's day and time is very appropriate, because most often the women population don't get too much help or assistance in really figuring out what's good for themselves or what's right for them. They just get so caught up in playing so many roles in their life that the focus gets shifted from their own role in their own life.
Today's session was very energizing because it was fantastic to meet a lot of young, happening, hep women who had a lot of relevant questions about how they should take the next leap, about what is holding them back, and a lot of conversations around some of the real issues that women are facing, and these are women who wanted to find solutions.
I got it from LinkedIn. Dad gave me the site, and I was thinking about entrepreneurship, and this would be a good start for me. So yes,
I loved the session. This was my first mentoring session, and first of all, I was very inspired to see so many achievers in one room. I was lucky to meet the 3 mentors that I met. They have whole new perspective about career, about how you should go about it.
The session was great. It was very interesting to meet women from so many fields doing so well in their career paths. Had a lot of questions that I had got a lot of answers, and I think it was great to know what their journey was. So it's been a very interesting session. I'd love to do this again.
It was really holistic in approach, and I think it dealt a lot with, it touched me as a woman, because those are the issues that we do face. It was not only answers to the questions that I had prepared, it was answers to the questions that I didn't have prepared as well. So I think fab job, back to the front, extra mile. I think you've done a great thing. I think it's a very novel concept, and please keep going.